Hi everybody, Yiayia here. Now I'm going to cook for you roast chicken Yiayia style. You know Yiayia, I can put anything in. I can mix up everything together. So let's start with by cutting the potatoes. All the potatoes are cut, so now go to the carrots. Now you can cut carrots any way you like, long as they all the same size so they can get cooked nicely. Oops, come here. Here we are. Now it's time for the onion. That cross, like that. Now I've got the capsicums, the little ones, as you know. I'm going to put the chicken after I put all the herbs. You see, I cleaned it, I cut it in the middle. Make sure you take everything from here. Start with salt. There you go. Nice ground pepper. Put the oregano. I'm putting lemon only on the chicken here. Put this stuff which it's very nice. It's a Greek mixed herbs. Now you can marinate this, if you like, for a couple of hours, but it doesn't need it. After all these herbs we put on. Let's start with nostimini. Oh yeah, and it's so beautiful. You can put garlic too. It's nice, it's beautiful, but nostimini's got everything in it, so we don't need to put the garlic. I'm going to seal the chicken. We're going to seal the chicken for 10 minutes, maybe less, long as it gets sealed on one side, maybe it takes 3 minutes for. Smoked paprika now. Now I have to flip the chicken on the other side. Come on, baby. There it is. The smell is beautiful. So let's dress up this with the same herbs that we put in the chicken. We put it on the potatoes. Oregano. I just put some pepper. I'm going to put a little bit more. Not too much salt. Let's put some nostimini. Wow, this is going to be the best ever. Paprika. Smoked paprika. I put the oil. No lemon now at this stage. Yes, you see. You can see in a minute. There it is. This is the paprika. Saute a little bit the mushrooms, so they don't leave the water, and the whole tray is going to be full of water. I only wanted to reduce the water from the mushrooms, and now I'm going to put it on the tray and we're ready to go for the oven. You see, the mushrooms are giving an extra flavor. 4 carrots, 6 potatoes, chicken, mushrooms, the tray is full. Some capsicum. Don't forget to subscribe for Yiayia. Όπα, έλα Χριστέ και Παναγία. Always. The taste of the food after you make the cross, it's unbelievable and it's safe. That's the point. I've got it, I start on 180. I like to cook my meals. Actually, it's about 200 for about 15 minutes and then 180. And it takes for me, it's an hour. Okay, here we are. This is the final stage of our beautiful roasted chicken. I'm going to just make a plate. Oh yes, very well cooked. An hour, it took an hour. Okay, now let's put some chicken on. And voila! That's lovely. This is lovely. By the way, this meal is for 6 people. Beautiful, very nice. Try with just a slice of lemon. That's it. Yep. So, να πούμε το τραγουδάκι μας. I'm going to sing a song, just a little bit. Άλλη τι με είπες μια βραδιά, χωρίς καμιά αιτία, μα του αλήτη η καρδία δε σου κρατάει κακία, μα του αλήτη η καρδία δε σου κρατάει κακία. Άλλη τι με είπες, μα εγώ χωρίς να σε μισήσω κλαίω ακόμα κι ας πονώ γιατί να σ' αγαπήσω. That's about it. See you next time. I love you and I leave you. Bye.